What if your private jet could roll on 6 wheels instead of flying on 2 wings? Imagine pulling up in something so bold, so unapologetically massive that traffic doesn't just move, it parts. This is the 2026 GMC Savana Ultra 6x6 luxury van, a machine that takes the workhorse DNA of the legendary GMC Savana and transforms it into a 6-wheeled statement of power, prestige, and presence. It's not factory-built madness from GMC, but a high-end custom creation built on the Savana platform, meaning exclusivity is part of the package. Expect pricing to start around $140,000 and easily climb beyond $200,000 depending on customization, making it less of a van and more of a rolling penthouse for those who refuse to travel ordinary. From the outside, this Ultra 6.6 doesn't whisper luxury, it announces it. The extended body, widened stance, and triple axle setup give it a commanding, almost armored presence. Oversized off-road tires fill the arches, custom LED lighting sharpens its face, and bespoke paint finishes shimmer under city lights or desert sun. It's long, it's tall, and it's unapologetically bold. Yet beneath all that drama is the familiar Savana silhouette, reimagined with muscular body cladding, chrome or blacked-out accents, and a raised suspension that hints at genuine go-anywhere capability. Step inside and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The cabin feels more like a VIP lounge than a van. Hand-stitched leather captain's chairs recline at the touch of a button, ambient lighting glows along the walls, and polished wood or carbon fiber trim stretches across custom cabinetry. There's a massive entertainment screen, premium surround sound, onboard Wi-Fi, and often a minibar tucked neatly behind sliding partitions. Whether configured for executive transport or luxury family travel, the Ultra 6x6 cocoons passengers in silence and comfort, isolating them from the outside world in first-class serenity. Under the hood, most builds retain the proven 6.6-liter V8 platform, delivering strong torque to move all that mass with confidence. With a true 6-wheel drive conversion, traction becomes a defining feature, allowing this giant to grip sand, snow, or gravel with surprising assurance. On the road, it feels substantial, smooth over highways, steady through long bends, and commanding from the elevated driving position. It's not built for tight city parking or nimble corner carving, and fuel economy certainly isn't its highlight, but the ride is composed, confident, and uniquely reassuring. Safety tech typically includes upgraded camera systems, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and reinforced chassis modifications to match its expanded footprint. What truly makes the 2026 GMC Savana Ultra 6x6 stand out is its personality. It blends brute capability with limousine-level luxury, offering practicality in the form of massive cargo space and flexible seating while delivering head-turning exclusivity wherever it goes. The strengths are obvious: presence, comfort, customization, and rarity. The drawbacks? Size, cost, and the reality that it's a custom build rather than factory engineered from the ground up. But for entrepreneurs, VIP families, adventure seekers, or anyone who wants to arrive like a headline instead of a footnote, this 6-wheeled titan offers something few vehicles on Earth can: the feeling that you're not just traveling, you're commanding the road.